Good morning, all the students. Welcome to the maths class of standard 7. Now we will start with the question number 6 because up to question number 5 we have completed. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of lace costs 15 rupees. Very simple it is. You need to understand question properly. This is the circular table. Okay. Now on this table, circular of the same length and diameter, there is a table cover. Okay. Now Saima wants to put lace around this circular table cover. So you need to find out the length of lace. What is the length of this lace? How we can find out? By finding the perimeter. It means perimeter, it means circumference. Okay. So what will be your first answer? Circumference of the circular table cover. Now from this circumference you can find out the cost of this lace. Now diameter is given, you need to find out radius. So half of the diameter. Then circumference of circular table, that is a 2 pi r. Put the values and solve it. Next, the length of required lace, that is a 4.71 meter. Cost of 1 meter is 15 rupees. Then what is the cost of 4.71 meter? Multiply it, so you'll get the answer, that is a 70.65 rupees. Seventh one, find the perimeter of adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. As you can see that at first sight you will find out that is very difficult, but it's very easy. Now let me explain how to find out the perimeter. You have to find out perimeter. It means this is the length. What is the length of this line? 10 centimeter, and that is the diameter of this circle also. Okay. So if this figure is like that, then you can find out the circumference of this circle. Okay. And if you want half of its this figure, half of this full circle, then whatever circumference you will get, you have to divide by 2. Then you will get half of this circumference. It means circumference of this semicircle. So what is the circumference? Pi r. 2 pi r divide by 2. 2 cancel out. So what is the circumference of semicircle? Pi into r. Plus you have to add this 10 meter, that is a diameter, because you got the circumference of this line only, this edge. This 10 meter, 10 centimeter, this edge is remaining, left out to add. You must have to add it to get the perimeter of full figure. So pi r plus d. Now put the values and get the answer. Solve it out. Question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is 15 rupees per meter square. Okay, this is the circular tabletop, diameter 1.6. Now you have to find out the rate of this circular tabletop, rate of polishing. So here you can see tabletop will be polished by this area. So you have to find out area of circular tabletop, that is a pi r square. Now you have to find out r. What is given here? Diameter. So r is equal to diameter divided by 2. 1.6 divided by 2. It's a 0.8. Pi into r square. Pi is a 3.14. R is equal to 0.8. You have to multiply it twice because r square. Do the multiplication. So you'll get 2.0096 meter square. Now, what is the cost of 1 meter square? 15 rupees. Then cost of that much meter square, you have to multiply it by a 15. So it's a 30.14 rupees approx. Now from this question we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.